Landward.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
The Gröbming Vocational School aims to give students a good education and create lessons that engage all 5 senses.
At the Gröbming Vocational School, girls and boys are trained and prepared in the fields of agriculture and nutrition, as well as in tourism, care, and of course, business management. This ensures that nothing stands in the way of good professional advancement, as well as personal, private, and family life later on. During their training, we place great importance on making sure that the students feel comfortable here in the school and that all 5 senses are engaged every day.
Here in our sewing workshop, the sense of touch is very noticeable. We work with many different types of fabrics, such as cotton, satin, and silk. Satin and silk are very elegant, timeless fabrics. We also work with denim fabrics. Loden. Right now we're working on our dirndl, and I really enjoy working with cotton fabric for that.
At our vocational school in Gröbming, smelling is of course also a huge topic, especially the way things are right now. In the pre-Christmas season, we make Advent wreaths and enjoy punch and cookies while doing it. We all really enjoy that, and we also love that we can revive traditions.
And it's not just that smelling is a very important sense, but hearing is even more important, especially in school, as well as active listening, so that a beautiful wreath is made in the end.
So at the Gröbming Vocational School, we actually make the whole range of dairy products. We make yogurt and curd cheese, and we always have to taste them to see if they taste good and if the ingredients are right. And it's also important to us that everything is just right. Of course, the taste also plays a big role.
So I attend the Gröbming Vocational School because I want to work in the hospitality industry later on. What I especially like is that in the service area we pay a lot of attention to the table decorations and the homemade items, and that it all looks really beautiful. They say you eat with your eyes, and that's why presentation plays such an important role for us.
We're in the teaching kitchen, and for us it's all about taste. Taste is the highlight of every dish, and that's where you see whether the ingredients go well together and harmonize. It's especially exciting for us to see how spices and herbs can completely change the taste of a dish. That shows again how creative cooking can be.
Especially in nursing, the sense of touch is very important, especially with elderly people, whether it's giving a hand massage, a general touch, or attention. And we learned that at the vocational school in Gröbming. We learned it in the nursing skills class.